Here I am starting from a connected Excel workbook, not a chart that was built by hand. The source is the online retail workbook inside this Anomaly project. The table I care about is online retail transactions. It has more than 500,000 synced rows, so this is the kind of workbook where manual pivot table work gets slow. Now I ask for the dashboard directly. I define net sales, distinct invoice count, average invoice value, quantity totals, customers, countries, item movement, and the first sales ops checks. I am compressing the build step here. Anomaly is reading the Excel transaction table, applying the definitions, and turning the workbook into a KPI dashboard. Now we have the dashboard. The top view gives the sales ops read, net sales, invoices, quantity totals, average invoice value, and customer count. This KPI row is the first pass. It is not just counting rows. The dashboard uses distinct invoices and net sales, so the summary matches the way sales operations would review the workbook. I also check the calculation. This is important because the project contains more than one table. The calculation is tied back to online retail transactions, the Excel table we selected. The trend view shows how net sales moved over time. That gives the meeting a timeline before anyone drills into countries or items. Then the dashboard breaks the workbook down by country, so the team can separate a broad sales movement from a market-specific one. The item view turns product descriptions and stock codes into a ranked list. That is much easier to scan than opening the workbook and filtering line by line. And this is the practical ending. The first sales ops checks from the workbook. The workflow is simple. Connect the Excel file, ask for the KPI dashboard, verify the calculation source, and use the review table to decide what to inspect first.